Start by grabbing a Lazy Susan, then apply some wood glue. Lay the Susan on a larger piece of wood. This depends on personal preference how big you want it to be. Lay some books on top for weight and allow it to dry overnight. Then flip it over and sand and prime the surface, allowing it to dry. Sand the primer and then add your desired color of paint on top. Let it dry. Then grab a ruler and find the center. Measure over and mark to make sure your tape lines are straight. Add 3 pieces of painter's tape and remove the middle piece to create a grain sack pattern. Paint a contrasting color, light green. Then add tiny lines outside of the thicker lines to finish off the look and repeat this all the way around. Sand for a distressed look. Then add some clear chalkboard paint. Now it's time to set the table. Grab the dollar store chargers and customize them with paint. Add your giant serving tray to the middle of your table. Layer with plates and a variety of napkin patterns. You can find these items at the dollar store or in a dollar section of your local Target or Walmart. Add some glassware and pumpkins, and finish it off by labeling your food on the serving tray and lighting your candles. This project would be perfect for a fall party or Thanksgiving dinner. This serving tray can be personalized to fit any room. How would you finish your serving tray? Let us know in the comments. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. A Lazy Susan, a wood round, a drop cloth, primer, paint, a paintbrush, acrylic paint, a small detail brush, chalkboard paint, a rag, a medium detail brush, a sander or sandpaper, painter's tape, wood glue, books or a weight, a ruler, and a sponge brush. I hope this inspires you to create your own fall tablescape this season. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.